Hello, today I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat friends. Let's start. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. Then click on your profile icon from the top left corner. Once you open your profile, scroll down to Friends. Here you can see the My Friends option. Click on it. Then open a Friends chat from here and click on their profile icon. After opening their profile, tap on three dots from the top right corner. Then go into Manage Friendship and tap on Remove Friend. Tap on the Remove button to remove your friend from your list. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. It explains me how we're solving new problems every day.